Fear, fear, fear is a disease. Fear is a killer. And then I normally tell traders today that fear is what you have allowed to creep in and then take over your trading. So this fear, how does it come about? This fear comes about when you have losses. Number one, when you have losses. As a trader, you have a loss or two, you're still good to go. But when you start to have more and more losses, then your emotions start to play tricks on you. And then before you know it, you're afraid. And that's why I hear a lot of traders say today, I'm afraid. Some of them are even afraid to start trading a live account because of that fear. But then I also want to quickly give you something that you can do in order to tame the fear, in order to work on that fear factor. That major thing is what? Work on your risk management. Make sure no matter what, that your risk management is directly proportional to your account balance. What does that mean? No matter how much you are using, you could be working with 1% per trade, right? Or worst case, and I've seen a lot of traders do this, and I've also advised a lot of traders to do this. If you fund your account with $5,000, $10,000, I normally tell them, start trading that live account with one micro lot size, 0.01. Why? Because that would help you to work on your emotions. You are usually emotional balanced based on the losses, based on the lot size that you are using, and then before you know it, the fear factor creeps in. But the truth now is that you cannot control the losses, but you can control the lot size that you will be using. And that's why I said, and I'll keep on saying, work on your risk management, and it will help you tremendously with respect to this fear factor. And don't forget also, don't place too many trades at the same time, 2 or 3 trades at most with a volume of 0.01, no matter the lot size, no matter the account balance rather. So try this out, see how it goes, especially for you that you have been struggling for a while. And of course, your emotions are all over the place. You're doubting yourself whether you can do it or you cannot. I tell people that, look, those that are doing well, they don't have two heads. So that means what? That means that if they are doing it and they're doing well, then you too can also do it and do well as well. Okay, enough of that ramble for now. I want to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If the video was helpful a bit, do the needful, give it a thumbs up. You can comment in the comment section below, have any questions, and I'll get back to you. And then also, if you are new to the joint, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and then we'll get back to you if you need anything. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Goodbye and God bless. Cheers.